Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today we're working on my small folding layout again. This time we're adding some little bits of detail on the countryside part of the layout. So I have got a few little bits and pieces in this box here just to add a little bit more variety really. So I'll just show you what I've got. And also I'll explain about the varnish in a moment. So I've got some printed out wood just so I can build a few things. Just thinking a little pier here to go onto the water just to make a little bit for some of the peatwoods I've got. Do want to add a little bit of a wood crossing here to lead up into this little area here, and I'll see what else I can do with the wood as well. And let's see, I've got some little tufts of grass which I can add here and there. I do want to add it mostly around the edge of the water just to add a little bit of colour and, well I say colour, it's all green really, but just add a little bit of variety really. Right, that's that bit done. I've got some cows. There we go. They'll be going in one of the fields. I've also got some sheep which will be going in probably that field over there. Let's see, I've got some fencing. Mainly, I just want to line one of the sides. It's probably going to be the inside. It's going to be mostly lined with the fence. And probably a few bits here, there and everywhere. Probably there. And I've got some quite nicely painted people. So let me just get them ready here. So yes, I've got some canoes. I think they're canoes. Yes, they are canoes. So I've got some canoes and the appropriate people to go in them. They'll be going underwater because it's the only place they'll live. So I put that there. Put these back in the box. And I've got some people going fishing. So I've got a couple of people with that, and I'll probably put them. Obviously, some of them will be on the pier, some will be along the edge, and I've got two here which are walking towards, so they're probably going down the little hill here. Ooh, make sure, so probably make them go down here. So this is going to be a little fishing spot for people to fish really. So that'll be a nice little scene. Right, what else have I got? Well, I've got some greenery here just to add a little bit of greenery here and there, mostly to tidy up around here, and need to clean up as well. Clean up and re-glue some of these bits, but yeah, I'm just going to add a little bit more greenery around the bottom and glue that back in. Maybe add a little bit of greenery to the roofs just to represent moss or something like that. So that's the plan with that. And finally, onto the tin of varnish. I'm going to finally varnish the outside of the case really, just to make it look nicer and probably help protect the wood. But I do have to make sure I don't get any on the inside because I don't want to ruin all the work I've just put in. So yes, that is the plan. So I'm probably going to do the easy bits first. So I'm going to leave the varnish till last. Let's see, easy bits. Well, the sheep will probably go in first because they're easy. I think I need to paint the cows. No, never mind, they're brown cows. We can have brown cows. They can go in just as they are. The assorted tufts of grass, a pack of 30, and I'll probably end up using all of them. So all the gluing for all this lot, that's going to be quite easy. The pier, not going to be too difficult. I have got some plasticard painted up. The plasticard rods that can be used as the pier support if it looks vaguely close enough. So yeah, first things first is gluing in all these little bits of detail, then moving on to the extra foliage, and then finally ending up varnishing once everything is dry. So this is going to be done tomorrow because I want everything to dry. So yeah, that is the plan. And yeah, I have to carefully do things because it's a very hot day. Probably can't see all that well right there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's a very hot day out there, and I don't want to melt. So I'm going to be carefully doing this here and there and taking lots of breaks and having plenty of fluids. So yes. Anyway, I'm going to get to work and I'll see you in a bit. Right, here we are, pretty much all the work done. Most of it was on that side of the layout, however, but that's because, well, that's where most of the work was. But I'll go over this side first because it's easier. Pretty much all of it was just adding a bit of foliage here and there just to add a little bit of colour and also hide a few things. So I'll start from this side first. Did a little bit of greenery here just to hide this slightly bold spot. Do need to do this bit up here on this little ridge, but yeah, that's not too bad. And probably a little bit on this wire here, because that's one of the other main reasons why I put a bit of greenery here, just to help hide the wires. That one I made of paint. I'll get onto that another time. And again, hiding the wires. Added a little bit of greenery to the roofs, just to add a little bit of moss. Not moss. And also a little bit of greenery here because of, again, a little bit of bold spot. There's a slight bold spot back here, but I'm going to put a something like a patio there, so I won't bother with that one at the moment. Ooh, there. Right, now onto the main part of what I've done. So, as you can see, I've added the little pier with a father and son doing some fishing, and a couple of other fishers, fishermen, just scattered about. And also got the 2 canoes with both sets of people in them. That's quite nice. There's a nice long fence going all the way around. It's not actually glued in, it's just held in by friction. So that's going all the way around. I may put a little bit of glue here and there strategically. Also, do excuse some of the ballast which is on the water. I had to do a little bit of reballasting over here, and obviously it gets everywhere. So yeah. And also for the little crossing, I put a little deck, well, something like a little staircase down, and a board going across up to the track, and also up the embankment, and also to a father and son on their way to go fishing at the lake. That's the main bit there. And also have added some cows, they're all glued in, and I've added some sheep over here. However, one of them has wandered off and it's currently up there, but I'll glue that in the meantime. And I've also done a bit of tidying up as well. And the other thing which I've done, I'll show you from this side. Ooh. Actually, I'll show you from the other side. It's still a bit sticky. I'll say sticky, but oh, and I've added the little tufts of greenery on the bank of the lake. However, I may add some of this rough terrain. Well, I say rough terrain. Some of this more rough grass along the edge as well, just to help hide up where the the residents try to creep up the river. I want to say riverbank, up the bank of the lake. Anyway, and the other thing which I've done, carefully, is I've varnished the outside. Now it's not a thick varnish, I've just mainly, just to give it some protection. I may get a thicker varnish to give it a bit more of a nice look, but in my opinion it looks quite nice. Plus it was a varnish laying, just sat on top of the a cupboard because I needed to use it to fix one of the doors. But unfortunately some of these are a bit sticky, but they still work. I may just need to clean them up. Probably didn't help that I varnished them, but I'll just need to put my foot there just so. There we go. Right. Yeah, probably didn't help that I varnished them, but oh well. Let's give them a clean and they should still work. But that is it for the layout for now, and all that ballast has gone to the other side of the layout. There we go. But yeah, that's it for this time. Now, I do want to try and get a running session on this layout. So, this month, I may try to get this layout running. So I'm going to give it a quick clean for the track, because I've not actually done that yet. And I'll probably get a little LSWR engine running around, and maybe some appropriate coaches. But yeah, that's going to be it for me. And yeah, I hope you all have enjoyed. If you do like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. And if you didn't like it, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But yeah, I'm going to have a rest now because it's finally cooled down. And it means I can actually relax. So yeah, take care everyone. I'll see you all again next time. Bye bye.